Welcome to Buffalo Creek Farm. Located in the picturesque hills of Pike County, Missouri, just 1 hour north of St. Louis. The seller has spent over 25 years putting this magnificent property together.
I have decided that I don't own the land. The land really owns me. The land to me is everything. It brings me peace. It brings me comfort. It doesn't change all the time, every 5 seconds. To me, it's the finest investment I've ever made. Now, maybe dollar-wise, I've made better investments. Overall, I can't think of a better investment than I've had up here with my family, with my friends, and with Mother Nature.
As you cross the bridge over Buffalo Creek and proceed up the 0.85-mile-long driveway to the lodge, you will see one of the most premier properties available in the Midwest.
I mean, as a kid, what else do you want? I mean, if you want to bring your kids up or your grandchildren and give them a place that I think they'll remember for a lifetime and some experiences. I mean, the farm brings responsibility very, very quickly. Nobody else shot at the deer. Nobody else is responsible for wounding the deer. So it brings the best out, I think, in children, truthfully.
It is hard to compete with nature when it comes to beauty, but the house is elegant yet rustic and is perfect for entertaining family and friends. The lodge has 6 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. The furniture, fixtures, equipment, and supplies included will allow you and your family to host gatherings immediately upon purchase. The views off the back covered porch are magnificent. You overlook a giant field of pollinators and wildflowers, with the sunset over the knobs of Pike County in the background. This is a one-of-a-kind generational opportunity to buy a turnkey family farm with a most unique location.
Malinmor was farmed, 2,000 to 2,200 acres. It is a hunting club. I would prefer to say it's an outdoor club. There's hunting, fishing, shooting sports. One of their main goals, if not probably the secondary goal, is to have great conservation. And they do a tremendous job with it. Individuals began to buy property around the club. Just like a golf course, people live on the golf course. Now we've got about 4,000 acres, including the Malinmor. That's a lot of land devoted to conservation.
Property is being sold via a managed sale process. We invite you and your family to consider becoming a part of the Buffalo Creek legacy. For additional information regarding the sale process and receipt of the property offering notice, please contact Phil Brown.